Okay, so you were having a problem creating or booking for three students or either two to four students using one laptop. When you are booking an AWS account, sometimes you face some challenges like this. So for you to avoid these challenges, you need to use the incognito mode because already if you register the first person, so let's say we are writing for a skill builder, we can log in here, then the first person can log in successfully and can book the exam. But the second person will have some challenges. For you to avoid these challenges, you need to open incognito mode. For me, I'm using the Microsoft Edge. So it's a new in private window so that it will open up for me. Then here, it doesn't require, like, it won't install the cookies for the person. So compared to if you are using the main browser, either Chrome, because if you did not clear the cookies, uh, it won't log in any, it won't allow the login of another student. So for you to avoid this, rather than deleting all your cookies, you can just open incognito. Then you add a new incognito mode. Then you paste the link of skill builder. Then here now, this where you will actually perform everything. You log in, like you can book even up to 20 students only on this spot. Once you input the student data, you can open another incognito like that, like that, like that. So let's start taking an AWS account because I already have account. So we just said we are going for exam there. Yeah, so here now, either you can choose it from here or you can just continue here. Sign in. You be required to log in with your AWS detail. So for me, I already have accounts. So I will click here, create or sign in. The same spot that you'll click if a student is new, doesn't have a card already. Yeah, let's wait for it a bit. Maybe the network. Yeah. So it's coming. So here is where we log in now. This is something we will just sign in because I already have my account. Just put my email there. So I don't need to show you my email, my password. Then to log me in. So no problem. You will see some changes like it lock you in, lock you out, but it's still just loading on a process. Once it ends, it will be seen automatic. Then now we can go to our account. So if you click go to your account, it will open the symmetric portals. This is it. The candidates are symmetric portals. So you, as you can read it up here. So boom. So this is how it look like. First, for the booking of exam, will just come like already you can see my name is here. So there's something on AWS. Yeah, I know sometimes weird. Maybe you can take a look at that. So we'll come here, exam history, exam. So let's say for exam registration and schedules on exam for the student. So let's wait for it. Let me zoom it. So here it is, either which AWS certification that you are sitting on, either data engineering, developer, certified machine learning, or certified solution architect. So for you, you can take cloud partitions that are you will be doing maybe either you are doing cloud partition. So now this is the exam that you are authorized, successfully authorized. So we can schedule now our exam. So let's wait for it. So this is it now. Uh, this testing, either so I have problem. Your laptop can support OnView because maybe we will be using this software called OnView or not. So there's something you can do yourself. Yeah, this the on view. Like you can confirm your desk, your everything that you are expected. So let's click next, and we'll see the result. What is happening? So the language that we will be using, any language that you know. For me, I will go with English, since my mother tongue is not there. So here you need to check all this. For me, I have already read them, but you need to read them for you not to check any link or any mark that you see there. Sometimes there are some questions that you are told not to mark them, but because you did not go through them carefully, you end up marking them, which is not good. So, as I said before, I speak English. You can also hear it. So here, I'm using the Nairobi East Africa time. So I won't change it. Already is there. Yeah, that's the right time. So here now I'll book my exam. So let me say already this day is okay on Monday 4th, or I can choose another day even. Let me say the 30th of November. So something like this, I can say book, and the time will be 12 p.m. So I can say book this day. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. After booking, now we can proceed to the checkout stage, whereby we will pay this amount of money. Can you see this one here? So you are required to pay for it. Can proceed to payment of the money. So if you have a voucher, you will need to put the voucher code here. If you don't have, you will pay them through any mean, either Mastercard, American Express, Visa. So after that, then you click next. You'll have a successful message that will be sent to your email. You see, please provide a valid response to the following form of type of payment. So you will be done with the past student like this, and simple like that. Then again, later, if you need to add another student, you will just click this three dot then in your Chrome it will say open new incognito. In my Microsoft Edge it said new in private window. So that's the only difference. It means the same. Then if you had it, you'll be adding another student now. Let me click on the skill builder. So let me remove this because then let me add new incognito. You'll see it will look new. Seeing the it doesn't store cookies here. Yeah. So something like this is how it work. If you add new student, again, you will follow the same procedure. Login, do the same using the incognito mode alone. Then you'll finish up and it will be okay.